Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn the private session on or off on Spotify. So, as you know, by default, anyone who follows our Spotify can see what I or you listening to in your friend activity. But if you don't want others to know what you're listening to, you can start the private session, and then I'm going to show you how to turn it on and also off. So in your Spotify, in this case on your desktop, just go to the menu here, click on your profile name on Spotify, and then as you can see here, there is private session. Just click on this, and the private session has been activated. So what you're listening to now will not be shown in your friend activity, and your friends that follow your account will not know what you currently or has been listening to. And to deactivate or to turn it off, just click on this again, and then it has been turned off. Okay, so just like that, that is how you can turn the private session on and off in Spotify. Pretty easy, right? Okay, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.